What is up? I'm back in the video once again, and today I'm vlogging once again. And today, one thing that I'm doing, I'm not going to be posting a TikTok video because like my TikTok video and I'll follow your TikTok video. So yeah, Happy New Year, as I said. And today I was playing with.
No, he wasn't. We had rock solid intel. There was a dirty bomb on board, and he was off the coast of Iceland.
So yeah, I have this messed up slime. It's messed up. Do you guys see all that glitter on the bottom? It's kind of cool. I have a messed up slime, and it's kind of watery. And I have this slime activator. And I have this blue drop. That means this blue full coloring. So,
you think the United States government can shoot down a commercial airline?
Look at all this glitter.
Sorry that we killed Grandma 25 minutes early. No, even if Hitler himself was on board, the lawsuits would have dragged out for centuries. And don't even get me started on the international mechanical failure. That's what you're calling it. You know what it means unless you're naive. You know, that boy's never been great for one day in his life for what he's got, what he's been given. He's got too many feelings. And that's why he'll never win.
It's kind of sticky. But I mostly play with sticky slime if I have to. Oh. It was really slime everywhere. Okay, this slime is getting stuck. It's getting to be mad sticky. This is mad glitter. Comment down below what is your favorite show. I don't really have a favorite. No, I have a lot of favorite shows. I don't really have a favorite show. I mostly like. Yeah, I mostly like shows. I don't only have one favorite show, but I have favorite shows. So I'm gonna be activating this slime. This video is gonna be like what you do to. I'm not gonna put a lot because it's gonna get hard. See, it's already getting hard. I gotta wash my hands. Wait, no I don't. I just gotta clean this floor. Oh my god. The bad part about this is that all this glitter is coming out because this slime got glitter. This slime has glitter, and so yep. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you. So I'm about to put some. Should I put some more foam beads in here? Cause you know foam beads kinda not make it sticky. Can't lie, but like I don't know. There was water on that side, and I couldn't put the slime anywhere. Only the container, but the container have all this glitter in it. So yeah, I'm about to put the food coloring. I know I had some food coloring that it was had some food coloring and it was like this. It was like this. It was it had some sparklies on it, and it tasted like no, it smelled like cotton candy. Can't taste food coloring. You know, my mom, she thought that school was tomorrow. And me too. I thought school was tomorrow. So, comment down below what you did for your weekend. I'm not trying to put a lot of blue because I don't want it to get real darky. I don't really like dark slime. I mostly like light slime. I do not like white slime. I like clear slime, It's like certain kind of white slime. I like white slime with some glitter in it, not just regular white slime, because it's just gonna get dirty. And I like clear slime, but they just get dirty fast. This slime is jiggly, if you didn't know. Should I put some more? It's getting kind of dark. Oh my god. I'm about to grab this for even. Okay, now my hands is just getting blue. And I don't let. No! Yo. There's a whole black. No, literally a whole. Oh my gosh. This was gonna get dirty. I should have did this on a plate. Okay, my hand's gonna get dirty. I hope this blue ink. You know, food coloring is kind of like ink when you put it inside. Because every time when I have food coloring, it always be stuck to my hands. And then a week later, like a week, and the same week, it comes off. Like, are you serious? It's dark. It stinks too. It smells like some paper. Like some dirty paper. I gotta try that. So yeah, I think this is the last. So yeah, I'm gonna start doing some pranks. So get to that. And so yeah, and I need some more subscribers to tell your friends, tell all the people. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and do all that stuff. Look at the notifications and all that. Peace.